Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing this Ryobi hand vacuum. So it's the P7131 model. Got it from Home Depot, nothing fancy. So let's get to the unboxing. So here we have some documentation, put that there. And here is our vacuum, and this is a piece of cardboard. So looks like we have our crevice tool, the attachment. Ooh, it extends. Fancy. So let's take a look. Also, I will weigh and measure the vacuum, but I'm going to do that toward the end of the video after we do our testing. So I guess this is how the crevice tool works. Pretty interesting. So this is everything that came in the box. Now let's take a look at the on and off switch. And let's take a look at our dual filtration system is what it says. It's supposed to be a dual, so 2 filters. Easy enough. And then looks like some rubber lining right here. And here's the battery. So the battery was not included. I have a bunch of these 4 amp batteries. You can also use 2 amp batteries, I believe. And here's what it looks like again with the filter. So let's get to some testing. First test, Honey Nut Cheerios. Second test, let's clean out this lint dryer screen. Let's try the attachment. Yeah, there's a little lint left over. Let's try it without the attachment. Let's test some baby powder. All right, let's take it out. Whoa. Whoop. Some dust fell out. Overall, not bad, but as you can see, there was a little bit left over. I probably need another external brush or maybe a plug-in vacuum to completely clean off, the tiny leftover stuff. But so far, so good. I think this hand vac's not bad at all. Especially for the price, it's around 30 bucks. I have a lot of the Ryobi battery since I have the tool. So weight-wise, it's 1.776 kilograms, including the battery. If you use a 2 amp battery, it's going to be lighter. So lengthwise, without the crevice tool, it's 41 centimeters. And let's measure the width here. Looks like it's about 12.5 centimeters. And let's attach the crevice tool. Let's completely extend it. So having it completely extended, looks like the crevice tool itself is about 50 centimeters. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.